The walk through the meatpacking district has been divided into 4 separate videos. The first one goes from A to B to C to D. The second one goes from D to E and partway towards F. The third one goes where that left off between E and F. And the last one goes from F to G. That is, once again, number 1 goes A, B, C, D. Number 2 goes D, E. Video 3 goes E to F. And the last video, 4, goes F to G. Thank you. Hello, this is Warren of Warren Walks NYC, and I'm going to take you on a short walk to introduce you to what's called Little Island. It'll take me a couple minutes to get there, but Little Island is a man-made, modern, extravagant pier that's being built in the Hudson River as we speak. It should be done sometime, we think, in 2021. It consists of a lot of concrete pods. The pods are all fastened together, and then on the top of the pods, when we get there, you'll see all kinds of construction, but in the end it will become like a sloping lawn as you walk on the top. And I'm going to swing the camera around. Those concrete pods that you see way in the distance there, that's known as Little Island. And now back to me. Okay. And we keep going. This area is still under construction. Long time ago, a teacher I knew on the Lower East Side of New York once said to me, "New York will look great once it's finished." He said that to me about 52 years ago. He's long since gone. His memory is still in my head, and that statement has never left me. How true, how true, how true. New York, wherever you may be for whatever reason, is always in a state of flux. Still walking towards Little Island. Getting windy out. Well, back to Little Island. We're now approaching an area in which it will be much, much easier to see. And as I flip the camera around, that is Little Island. Okay, we have to go through this little passageway right now, so it's going to get a little dark in a second. Okay, here we go, back to sunlight. This is the plaza in front of what is called Little Island, and whoops. Okay, that completes a quick view of Little Island. Incidentally, you'll see a metal hoop behind me. That is where the Titanic was supposed to dock. Of course, it never made it. This is Warren of Warren Walks NYC, thanking you for watching. Bye-bye.